Welcome back to Black Dog Performance Cars. Today we're doing a quick walk around video of this 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This one does have the Z51 performance package, as well as a 7-speed manual transmission. This is a really clean car. One of my favorite Corvette generations personally. Black wheels. Kalahari interior. Very nice spec. A super clean example if you're looking to get into a manual C7. You can get a little closer now just to show you how good of a condition this car is in. Hood looks flawless. Front bumper has little to no rock chips. I'd argue none. Once again, Z51 package. The removable Targa top still looks stunning. Even the wing looks great. Coming around to the back here, that classic quad exhaust, and the whole rear bumper looks good. Really just a remarkable car. This is passenger side. None of the wheels are chewed up or anything. All in solid condition. You can even go ahead and take a look at the interior. Like I mentioned, that Kalahari brown just looks great. Leather everywhere. And of course, the 7-speed manual. Everything looking good. If there was one flaw I had to point out on this car, that would just be the dash here. You can see the dash is starting to ever so slightly bubble right there. And that's really it. This car is just super clean. And with that being said, it's gonna wrap up this walk around video. Once again, this is the 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray Z51 package in a manual transmission. Super awesome car. You can find it at Black Dog Performance Cars in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.